Hello, friends. I'm Randall Carlson. I'd like to extend an invitation to you to enter the magnificent realm of sacred geometry. I'll be hosting a Sacred Geometry Weekend at Beersheba Springs Assembly on the beautiful Cumberland Plateau in Tennessee, this February 28th through March 3rd. This is going to be a hands-on workshop for beginning students and more advanced students who would like a refresher in the basic methods. During the weekend, we're going to cover the fundamentals of this ancient science of harmonious design, while the emphasis will be on the practical applications tailored to be useful as a tool for architects, designers, artists, builders, musicians, arts and crafts people, such as woodworkers, quilters, stained glass workers, furniture makers, and on, as well as people of a more philosophical orientation who might be looking for a deeper symbolical or even metaphysical meaning in the patterns and relations among the mystic forms and numbers underlying all creation. For those seekers of knowledge, there will be a generous serving of inspiring and thought-provoking information. Included in the weekend, we're going to be taking a field trip to the nearby All Saints Chapel. This is in Sewanee, Tennessee. All Saints Chapel is an extraordinarily beautiful neo-Gothic church whose design is inspired by the geometry and symbolism of the cathedrals of Chartres and Amiens in France. The goal of this workshop retreat will be to prepare students for the more advanced teachings that are going to follow. There's a reason why Pythagoras and Plato held geometry in such high esteem and why the inscription over the entrance to Plato's Academy cautioned, "Let none but geometers enter here." So, from a deeper perspective, what can we say about the advanced teaching and the ultimate meaning and significance of sacred geometry? First, sacred geometry provides the key to revealing the invisible archetypal patterns of creation, and it provides the template upon which the manifest universe is built, both in its inanimate and animate forms. Sacred geometry provides the key to understanding the great year, that is, the cosmic clock which reveals the cycles of planetary change and governs the unfolding of world events. It unlocks the deepest mysteries of cosmic destruction and renewal. And it provided the alphabet with which the master builders of old conceived and constructed their masterpieces of stone and clay and wood. And the master key to unlocking their concealed teachings. It unveils the cosmic blueprint for the building of the worlds and for the new order of the ages. Now, in-person seating is limited, but for all those who cannot attend in person, the event will be live streamed through my HowTube channel. If you purchase a ticket for the live stream, you'll be able to download a recorded copy, which you will then be able to keep and watch in perpetuity. The price of admission includes all the supplies you'll need to participate effectively, including this beautiful handcrafted hardwood drawing compass. So please join us in the growing community of knowledge seekers from around the world, either in-house or remotely, and prepare to embark upon a wondrous journey. Thank you for listening, and I hope to see you there.